Kraken just released something crazy. I'm using Claude here, but it works with any AI. Watch. Yes, that just happened on my account on the most versatile and regulated crypto exchange in the world, Kraken. So no code, just a conversation with an AI. And here it was Claude as an example. So I'll tell you exactly what this is, how to set it up in a few minutes, and importantly discuss what safety measures exist to make sure that the AI doesn't go rogue with our money when using such a powerful tool. What you just saw is the Kraken CLI, an official open source and free tool from Kraken with a built-in AI server. I'm using Claude Code here because, as you can see, the combo is crazy. I can literally just talk and it acts. But you could use Claude Desktop, Cowork, Cursor, Codex, Gemini CLI, anything that supports MCP. We'll see the setup in a second and you'll understand why. And if you want to test strategies on spot, there is a demo trading mode with live prices. Now, am I saying Claude is a trading genius that will fill up our pockets in 2 days? No. I'm skeptical. I hope you are as well. But the key point is I don't believe AI or Claude of itself is a strategy, but it can be turned into a very powerful market analysis assistant. And now, thanks to this tool, a immediate execution layer. But we are still the traders. Intelligent position sizing, responsible risk management, all of that is still fundamental. I hope you see why I'm getting at here. I believe the true power here is in combining your trading knowledge with the AI that can analyze and act on it instantly. Guide it with your edge, guide it with your style. And if you're a bit of a vibe coder or a coder in general, you can build tools to sharpen it or even include it embedded in some larger automation. And test it all on the demo account to see how it goes. Setup takes about 2 minutes. One command installs the CLI, then you paste a 3-line JSON config into your AI MCP server settings. What you're doing here is giving your AI a set of pre-made commands. Check prices, place orders, read your portfolio, so it can use them on your behalf during a conversation. That's what MCP is, a protocol that lets AI call external tools. And that's why this works with any AI that supports it. If you want to try this out, or maybe simply just experience the versatility of trading on Kraken, spot, futures, Forex, X stocks, traditional finance futures, staking, a lot of things, all regulated. I have a registration link for Kraken down below. And if you use that link, you also support the channel a lot, because I'll be getting back commissions at no cost to you, which really encourages me in carrying on releasing all this open source free tutorials, code, etc. So a big thank you if you do use that link, and you will be getting a bit of BTC as a token, pun intended, of my appreciation. Now, safety. 3 things protect you. 1, you choose which tools the AI gets access to. By default, trading is completely off. It can only read prices and use the demo account. In other words, you unlock real trading when you're ready. 2, every single trade requires your approval before it executes. 3, on Kraken's side, you set your API keys to trade only, no withdrawals, so your funds can never exit your account. I go into more detail on the safety model in the article linked below. You want to know what I love the most about this, beyond probably all those crazy automation schemes that might be popping up in your head where you embed this, if you're like me, is that you don't just trade. You learn as you do so. You can ask questions, you can discuss strategies and immediately act on them. All that in one conversation. Or maybe on a more practical scale, if you want to quickly grab some Bitcoin or a quick market analysis while you're waiting for your morning coffee or during your daily run, totally possible with all the AI remote controlling tools being developed at the moment. Anyways, all the details I couldn't cover in the video are in the article linked below. Happy trading, take care, and I hope to see you soon.